Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato salad with boiled eggs. First, select about 2 pounds of starchy potatoes, like russets. Wash them thoroughly, then boil them in salted water until they are fork tender, which usually takes 15 to 20 minutes. Drain the potatoes well and let them cool slightly before cutting them into 1-inch cubes. This ensures they absorb the dressing beautifully. Next, prepare your hard-boiled eggs. You'll need 6 to 8 large eggs. Once cooked, peel and chop them into a coarse consistency. For the creamy dressing, whisk together 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Season this mixture with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of paprika to your liking. This creates the perfect tangy base. Now it's time to bring all the components together. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine your cooled, cubed potatoes with the chopped, hard-boiled eggs. Pour the creamy dressing over everything and mix carefully to ensure all ingredients are evenly coated. For added texture and a fresh bite, stir in some finely diced celery and red onion. Cover the bowl and chill for at least 2 hours. Finally, your delicious homemade potato salad is ready to be served. Before presenting, garnish it with some fresh chopped parsley or chives for a vibrant touch. This classic dish is perfect served chilled as a side for any occasion, from picnics to family dinners. For easy storage and meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.